apply it to my tummy. And you stick it on just like that.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, and welcome. In this portion of the video, I am in collaboration with COEE Bags. So if you guys never heard of COEE Bags, they are a luxury brand that sells luxury shoes, luxury sneakers, luxury jewelry. They sell clothes. They sell accessories and handbags and lots of more beautiful items on their website. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. So let's get into it. So right now I am unboxing. So this is the first item that I have, and I'm going to unbox it and show you guys everything that's inside. Okay, so it looked like I have some glasses. So this is the case. Going to open. So these are what the glasses look like. And this is the side of the glasses. Really nice, very cute, very demure. And I'm going to try them on. Look how cute they look. I look so smart and clever. So I love the gold details with the glasses, okay? I love the frames. They're very solid. Look how cute they are. I like the little logo that have the Chanel logo. And they are just feeling really, really cute. They're very solid, but they feel really, really light, which is a good thing. Let me know what y'all think about these glasses in the comment. Okay, so I have another item from COEE Bags, and this is the as well. It looks like a scarf here, and fall is here. So this is a lovely warm scarf, honey. So check it out, y'all. Look how long it is. It's very long, okay? Now you can wear it on the black side, or you can flip it and wear it on the beige side. So I'm going to try this bad boy on because I love to stay warm, especially that we're in the fall season month now. And honey, I got to be warm. So if you're looking for something to lounge around in the house, this cute scarf is for you. Or if you're running and doing errands and you want to look warm, throw this on. So y'all know I gotta stand up and show y'all what it look like. I just feel like it's very nice material. It is thick, so that's a great way you will stay nice, cuddle, and warm, honey. But look at the other side. I'm gonna turn it on the opposite side. So look how cute that is. Or you can wrap it around like this and wear it as a scarf this way, honey. Check that out. Honey, you can wear this thing a lot of ways. So if you want to wear it like this, look at that. There's ways you can hook this up. You can wear it like this. Honey, you can also wear it like this, honey. Look how cute. You know, we just got to stay warm, especially because we're in fall and winter is right around the corner. If you love this look, click on the link, grab yours today. COEE Bags, thank you for this. Look how cute this is. Like, you can't get no better than this, okay? Because y'all know here in Jersey, we get snow all the time. We get sleet, we get the snow, and of course we got to stay warm and dry, right? So let me show y'all. Let me stand up.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl.
Okay guys, so today I am also talking about my GLP kind patches. Now I've been wearing these for almost a month, so I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So what I have noticed that it has been taking my cravings away. I don't eat as much as I usually would, and it's really weird, but that's a good thing. So what you would do is apply these patches onto your skin for like 8 hours, and then you'll just change, like, you know, every daily 8 hours. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I do it. So you take it out the patch. As you can see, this one is like empty, so I'm taking my kind patch off and I'm going to apply that anywhere on your skin. I usually apply mine to my stomach, so let me let my camera down. So I usually apply it to my tummy, and you stick it on just like that. You stick it on your skin just like that, and you go about your day. Like, that is just like amazing. So I've been seeing these all on social media, and I was like, I want to try it because I'm still on my weight loss journey. It has been a struggle, but since I've been on this, I don't have a craving for sweets. I don't have a craving for munchies or snacks. When I cook dinner for the family, I make like a little portion because food just feel really like kind of disgusting to me, and I believe it's because of these GLP-1 patches. So I believe these are working, but I still have to, you know, kind of force myself to eat because we all need the nutrients in our body. So what I'll do is I'll eat maybe a boiled egg for breakfast, maybe some soup or something like that, or if I make like chicken or any type of meal, I make myself like a small portion. And sometimes I eat like maybe once a day, and I'll sip on something, you know, some nuts or something. But this is really true. They have all types of patches. Okay, so if you would like to try this and you're on a weight loss journey and you want to cut down on fatty foods, or if you're just trying to cut down period, but I would say still exercise with this, these are great because, honey, you can lose weight with these. And like I said, it's been like a month, and I noticed, like, I'm not even hungry. I be saying to myself, I'm not even hungry, and I believe it's because of these. Now, they have came out with some shots, and that was like $300 or something like that, and I was like, we're not doing that. When they came out with the patches, baby, less than $20, I was like, okay, that's affordable. I'm gonna see what they do, and honey, I'm hooked. I'm hooked because these right here, it's true. These are very true. So I will have the link in my description if you want to jump on board with these kind patches, honey. They're really serious. So they're vegan. So yeah, so to sum it up, these are amazing. It helps with weight loss. It helps with cravings. You don't even be hungry. I don't know if it was just me, but I have been seeing people on Facebook and other social media platforms where they were saying like it took their food cravings away. Like, one lady lost a lot of weight, and I'm like, honey, you still gotta eat something, okay? So yeah, if you're interested in these, grab yours today. The link will be in my description. So I'm so happy that I started these GLP-1 patches because I could feel a lot different. But like I said, you still gotta eat. You still have to exercise. But you know, if you're looking to cut down, if you're looking to cut down your cravings and sweets and all that, this is for you. Okay.
So many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on acting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on acting. I trusted you. I trusted you. So sad. What love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to me, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby.
So Faith wanted tacos because she never had bell peppers. So of course I had to make her side of tacos. So y'all know how it is with these children, y'all. But when I tell y'all she loved those bell peppers, she really loved them. Everybody killed them. They was like a really yummy, delicious. The cheese was hitting, the rice, the beans. Baby, I will be making these again. We killed them. Let me know in the comments if y'all ever tried this. Let me know what y'all think about this. Thank y'all so much.
You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass